I've got the Redmi Note 10. Let me show you how to use the Pro mode in camera on it. At first we have to press the camera button, and here we can manage the modes. So we go right to the end to Pro mode. And Pro mode is cool because you can choose shooting parameters by yourself as you need, as you wish, and you can make experiments, and it's perfect for learning the photographic skills. And from the left we have the white balance, and we can choose from the 4 white balances depending from the conditions of taking photos. Here we've got the tungsten light and the daylight, white fluorescent light, and the cloudy light. And it's also cool because we can pick the preferred light temperature with using a slider in Kelvin degrees here. And the next one is manual focusing slider, as you can see. The next one is shutter speed from the 1 and 100,000 seconds to 32 seconds of taking picture. And the next one is ISO, where you can pick from 100 ISO and 3200. And also pick the auto. And the last one is the managing of lens from ultra wide, wide, tele 2x, tele 5x. Oh, it's too close to this screen behind me. And the macro one. And we gonna stay on ultra wide, and ISO maybe this one, shutter speed here. Okay. And white balance, the white fluorescent light, and let me take a picture here. And as you can see, that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.